Welcome our dear student, Junior 3. I am Mrs. Gina. Today we'll talk about Unit 3, Lesson 2. The second topic, simplifying the fraction. Simplifying the fraction. What's the meaning of simplify? Make things more simple. Top here, we study mathematics. Numbers make numbers more simple. طب here any number? أي number? لا, simplifying the fraction. How I can simplify any fraction? How can I simplify a number? I will make it smaller than before. Like مثلا لو أنا عندي 6 I can simplify 6 to be 2. Simplify 6 to be 3. If I have 21 I can simplify 21 to be 3 to be 7. طيب let's start. Here from the opposite shape we can consider that the colored part is 3 over 6. This colored part represents 3. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts over 6. This 6 represents the number of parts this shape divided to. But this shape, this whole shape divided to 6 parts. The first fraction 3 over 6. The first fraction represents 3 over 6, or I can consider it half. A half. Halves the whole. Half the whole shape. And here I can consider this colored part 3 over 6 or a half. يبقى 3 over 6 equal a half. How come 3 becomes what? 1. How comes 3 becomes 1? ازاي 3 دي بقت 1? By using division operation. يبقى when we simplify any fraction I will use division operation. طيب 3 divided what equal 1? 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. طيب whatever I do to the top I have got to do to the bottom. يبقى 6 كمان divided by a 3 equal 2. 6 divided 3 equal 2. يبقى أنا كده عرفت ازاي إن الcolor part ده represent 3 over 6 and a half. الاتنين equal بس 3 over 6 can fraction have يعني the biggest number. عنده number كبير 3 over 6. I can simplify 3 over 6 to be a half. The second example here. This rectangle divided to 12 equal parts. This rectangle divided to 12 equal parts. Here I took just 4 parts. يبقى this color part represent 4 over 12. تمام. I can make it more simplify. Yes, if I have divided this rectangle to 3 parts. The first one, the second, the third. I took just 1 part, this part, the 1 over 1, 2, 3, 1 over 3. 4 becomes what? Is they 4 divided. I will use division operation. When I simplify any fraction, I will use division operation. Divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. يبقى here 4 divided by 4 equal 1. طب 12 in the denominator any number or whatever I do to the top I have got to do to the bottom. 12 divided by برضو 4. 12 divided 4 equal 3. Okay. All this example in your school book. حلو قوي. Number 3. يبقى from the previous example we took 3 over 6. Here 3 over 6 equal a half. How come is they divided by 3? When I simplify I will use division operation. When I simplify I will use division operation. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 6 divided by 3 برضو equal 2. 4 over 12. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. تمام. Let's take some exercise. 5 over 10. I can simplify it by using the common factor between 5 and 10. What is the common factor between 5 and 10? 5. Here divided by 5. In the top, the numerator divided by 5. 5 divided 5 equal 1. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Remember يا junior 3. Whatever I do to the top, I have got to do to the bottom. التوب اللي هو مين؟ النيومينيتور. النمبر at top, النيومينيتور number in bottom, the denominator. طب 6 over 8. طب ازاي ال 6 دي becomes 3 by divided by 0? No, divided by 1. I know that any number divided by 1 equals the same number. If I use it divided by 1, أنا كده عملت simplify؟ لا طبعا. لا. I will start from 2. 6 divided 2 equals 3. Yes, يبقى 6 divided what? Divided by 2 equals 3. Whatever I do to the top, I have got to do with the bottom. يبقى 8 divided by what? By 2 برضو. 8 divided 2 equal 4. يبقى 6 over 8 equals 3 quarters or 3 over 4. حلو. The last one. 7 over 21. ازاي 7 دي becomes 1? How come? Divided by what? لسه قايلين ان any number divided the same number equal 1. Any number divided the same number equal 1. يبقى 7 divided what equal 1? 7 divided by 7. طب 21. And whatever I do to the top, I have got to do to the bottom. The sentence D, we use it in equal fraction and simplify. 21 divided 7. 21 divided 7 equal 3. تمام. Question number 5 complete. طيب here 9 over 27. That's a big fraction. I want to simplify this fraction. طب عرفت ان هي ازاي دي simplify. ال 9 becomes 1. ال 9 bigger than 1. طيب ازاي بقى؟ I will convert the biggest number to smallest number. That's a simplify. I will convert the biggest number in the numerator اللي هو ال 9 to becomes 1 at the top. طيب I will use division operation. أهم حاجة أنت تربط ال simplify بالdivision. طيب هي 9 divided 1 equal 1. 9 divided by 9 equal 1. Whatever I do to the top, I have got to do to the bottom. يبقى 27 divided برضو 9. Excellent. Equal 3. يبقى 9 over 27 equal a third. تمام. Maximize it. Sorry. Here. Fifteen over 25. 15 over 25. That's the biggest fraction. I want to simplify. طب I know simplify from where? The number in the denominator 25 becomes 5. طب by using divided by 5. 25 divided 5 equal 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have got to do to the top. 15 divided by what? 3. The same number, the same factor. The common factor between 15 and 25 is 5. يبقى divided by 5. 15 divided 5 equal 3. يبقى 15 over 25 equal 3 fifths. 3 fifths or 3 over 5. Here 12 over 18. Here 12 becomes 2. From biggest to smallest. That's a simplify using division. يبقى 12 divided what equals 2 divided by 6. In the denominator 18 divided by 6. 18 divided 6 equal 3. يبقى 12 over 18 equal 2/3 or 2 over 3. This one 7 over 70. Wow. I want to simplify. طب واحنا عرفنا ان هو ده simplify. The number in the denominator كان 7 بقى 1 becomes 1. from biggest to smallest. I will use division operation. Divided by what? Here the junior 3 7. Excellent. طب 70 divided what؟ برضو 7. مش هخترع، هو نفس النمبر. طيب 70 divided by 7 equal 10. ليه؟ عشان 10 times 7 equal 70. Any number times 10 I will write the same number and beside it a 0. يبقى 70 divided 7 equal 10. 30 divided 3 equal 10. 30 divided 3 equal 10. 20 divided 2 equal 10. 50 divided 5 equal 10. Okay. The next slide, this is the last one. Question number 6 in your school book. Simplifying each of the following. 4 over 12. I can simplify this fraction. And طالب منك في question simplify. Read the question correctly. Pay attention. 4 over 12. I want to simplify 4 over 12 divided by a divided by 4. The common factor between 4 and 12 is 4. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. يبقى 4 over 12 equal a third. تمام. 3 over 30 divided by what؟ ولا 0 ولا 1؟ Start from 2. 3 divided 2 equal any number? Does any number times 2 equal 3? Absolutely not. يبقى 3 divided by 3. The same number is a number divided the same. Divided by 3 equal 1. 30 divided by 3 equal 10. لسه قايلينها في السلايد اللي فاتت. 30 divided 3 equal 10. 6 over 21. What is the common factor between 6 and 21? Let's start. 6 divided 2 equal 3. طب there is any number times 2 equal 21. هي 21 دي موجودة في التايم تيبل أصلا بتاع 2؟ لأ، يبقى مش هينفع 2. مش هينفع divided by 2. طب another number divided by 4. No. 6 divided 4. طب 6 divided what؟ 6 divided 6. طب ماشي 6 divided 6 equal 1. طب 21 divided 6. There's any number times 6 equal 21. No. يبقى ولا 2 هتنفع ولا 6. أمال مين؟ جرب كده فكر. أيوة divided by 3. Divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. و 21 divided by 3 equal a 7. 35 and 45. It's very easy. Timetable ايه ده؟ Timetable 5. Excellent. يبقى 35 divided 5 equal 7. 45 divided 5 equal 9. يبقى 35 over 40. 5 equal 7 over 9. تمام. يبقى here when you want to simplifying any fraction you will use division operation. Here when you want to simplify any fraction you will use division operation by using the common factor between two numbers like 6 و 21. مين common factor بينهم؟ مين؟ 3. whatever I do to the top اللي هو مين التوب؟ النيومينيتور I have got to do to the bottom اللي هو مين؟ الدينومينيتور. You have a homework junior 3 in your booklet page 22. Thanks dear. See you soon.